Pennsylvania rifle season 2023. It's the Friday before the season. Knox and I are headed up to Kettle Creek. How old are you, Knox?
8.
Just turned 8. It's gonna be a good trip. Stay tuned for the adventures. It's 5:47 a.m. Should take us a couple stops to make. Maybe stop at Bass Pro Shop, get some groceries. Stay tuned.
How do you breathe fresh air?
We made it up to the Kettle Creek. We did stop at Cabela's, but not realizing Black Friday would be crazy. I was like, I'm not gonna wait in that line. So we hit the road, had a beautiful drive, finally made it up to Kettle Creek, and we're looking forward to getting settled in on the camp. Jeff Meyer should be up here. Any thoughts, Noxie? What are you looking forward to? Hunting. Feels good to be up on the Kettle. How's the cigar?
Not bad. That's just a cheap one, but smoke's all right.
Any cigar in the mountain's gonna taste good.
That's right. I love to come up and just sit on the front porch and smoke a cigar. I kind of, just dream about that. And that's my favorite, one of my favorite things to do. Up to the cabin and sit on the front porch and smoke a cigar.
I love it. Knox and I just made it to the big drop-off. It's about 6:30. Things should get spicy here. Opening day. We'll keep you posted, but look at that view. We just had a little bit of excitement. A deer walked out 60 yards in front of us, but it was too dark. I couldn't see it in my scope. It's 11 a.m. Finally warmed up. The sun is shining. Just taking an early lunch break. Deer bologna. What do you got, Knox?
Cheese.
We've hiked 4.25 miles. We have about 1 mile back to the cabin. Stay tuned. We hiked 6 miles this morning, made it back to the cabin for lunch, and now we're trying to hitchhike, but it's turning into a hike to get back up to the top of the mountain for the sequoia. Wow, that's 2 for 2. Wow!
Finally got my 10 point.
Congratulations!
I'm calling that a point. That's pretty much broken off. There and 10
Let me get a picture.
Where are they?
They're down underneath the hide.
I bet they're probably in there.
What do you think of Jeff's deer, Knox?
I like it.
We were hunting down. He was out the point. I was over on the other side. We thought we heard a shot up this way. Around that back there.
Well, there was 6 or 7 of them.
We made it back out to the big drop-off for the evening hunt. Let's see if anything comes out and moves around. We are cooking deer heart for dinner tonight to celebrate Jeff's victory shot. It's the deer that I shot last year. So, morning 2. We're out down Cataracas Road. It's a quiet morning. Hunting a new area close to Hicks Hollow. Knox is back there. Stay tuned. So it's like, what time is it? 8 a.m. And I just took a shot at a doe at about 70 yards. I think I hit it. It looked like it kicked like a mule. And we'll go up here and take a look and see if we can see some blood. What do you say, Knox? All right, Noxie, what do you say? Praise the Lord. Beautiful, beautiful little mountain doe. Little button buck, actually. So we're 1.5 miles back in the middle of nowhere. You can see I'm dragging the deer out there. Knox, what do you have to say? Okay, make sure that tag doesn't fall off. Good thing Grant Clark's not here, because I think Grant Clark might be able to beat me on dragging a deer out of the mountains 1.5 miles. Stay tuned. We just stopped by the cabin from York, Pennsylvania. Did you get 3? Is that all you got?
That's all we got so far.
You got a first-year hunter there?
Yep.
Is that a 9 point? Or are they both 10 points?
Nah, the one's got a broken camera. It would be a 10 point, but it's broken.
Man. Those are beautiful.
This is a big deer, though.
How much did it weigh?
Well, it took 2 of us to lift it up there.
It does look big. Oh my goodness.
It's a big deer.
Do you know what the spread is on the 10?
We didn't measure anything.
Make sure he doesn't get caught on anything as I pull him up.
Sure can.
Be good.
Make sure to get your hair wet.
I know.
You are going to feel alive. Okay, Knox. Show us how to ride the lightning. Get in there. Go swimming. High five. You're awesome. Do it again.
I don't want to.
Too cold? That is impressive. Thunderbolts of lightning. I'm proud of you, son.
This is the one that can sit down. Yeah, it's right there. Let's get some room there.
What would you do?
Get the logs that were like my little piece of board. And if they're tubing and they don't break, then I just lean them up with this. Got the hammer side. And break them up. This is like exactly where Harry's bark dam was. So I basically put logs over the main bark.
I like your strategy. So you think this log's gonna break, Knox?
Yeah, because you have it
You think it's gonna break when I walk across it?
Yeah.
All right, here goes. What if I fall in and get wet? You still think it's gonna break? Oh. That's a nice little bridge. Last morning here at camp, Jeff and Knox are itching to play some rook. Got to get cleaned up. We filled out our tags. Jeff, what's your rifle that you shot your deer with?
This Remington 760 Game Master pump gun. That's what I killed my buck with.
308.
308, yep. Did I not mention that?
When did you buy that rifle?
I've had that ever since I started hunting back in the late 70s, I think.
And I shot my doe with the custom-built Elmer Henry on a Mauser action. Fred Barley had it built in 1963, and he handed it off to me 3 years ago. Were you gonna say something else, Jeff?
I didn't realize that was an Elmer Henry built.
Yeah, Elmer Henry built that.
Wow, nice.
I don't know if he's built, are you aware of other guns he built other than that?
I knew he built them, and I think some of the guys might have had guns that he built, but I know he was quite the gunsmith.
Yeah, it's a beautiful gun.
Yeah, it is. Wow.
It's kind of raining and...
In case I drop one and it breaks.
Okay, Noxie, we're headed home. How did you like the weekend at the cabin?
Good.
What was your favorite part?
Shooting the deer.
That was pretty amazing, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
You were a big help. Headed home, a very, very enjoyable first day of buck season. First weekend of buck season. A lot of fun, blast hanging out with Jeff Meyer. It was a very meaningful experience. It was fun to see Jeff get the 10-point. It was fun for us to shoot the doe and drag it out a mile through the woods. That was a lot of fun. And it was fun to butcher the deer, and we're looking forward to eating deer steaks all year. Don't you say so, Knox? Stay tuned. See you later.
Bye.